In this video, we will discuss about what is MIMO. MIMO or parallel protocol is the first governance token allowing users to mint PAR parallel token, a euro pegged selection with features like PAR. MIMO aims to enable users to avoid intermediators and these attached costs. The project's goal is to simplify the relationship people here with crypto, focusing on the European. Who created MIMOs? Cloud Eganton works as the CEO of MIMO Capital. By trade, he is a software engineer specialized in distributed system. In 2010, Cloud became interested in crypto because of a bitcoin.org link shared on Hacker News. Today, Cloud is interested in leveraging the power of distributed cryptocurrencies to bring back privacy and ownership to the masses. He served as CEO of the litecoin until mid 2020, after which he joined the 10x crypto wallet team to build MIMO Capital. The team is mostly based on Singapore and Dubai. How does MIMO works? The MIMO DeFi platform attempts to bridge the existing chasm between decentralized finance and the trusted world of regulated financial institutions. To do this, the platform offers a fully decentralized, stable coin solutions with loans and saving accounts in order to allow users to move fast and leverage existing and development trends in DeFi. The core of the platform is to violate users mint PAR token, a fully decentralized euro stablecoin, by deposit collateral like Ether ETH into the value smart contracts. PAR tokens are minted exclusively via MIMO DeFi, which allows users to stay in the industry while benefiting from the relative stability and liquidity of another stablecoin. In short, MIMO is enabling users to generate and take profit on their crypto's returns without impacting the quantity of tokens honored in the deposit assets type. Users will need wallet in order to participate in the MIMO DeFi platform. Once this is set up, users can utilize the wallet storage protocol, which supports various collaborate types like WBTC, WETH, and USDC. After collateral funds and deposited into the wallet, PAR, the MIMO Euro stablecoin, can be minted against funds in the wallet. At 2%, MIMO DeFi offers stable interest rates for users who are guaranteed to get their collateral back in full. This is done through a simple web interface platform which offers primary functionality through a simple user interface for easy navigation. The selling point for the PAR stablecoin compared to centrally minted euro stablecoins in the PAR is not exposed to negative interest rates, which opens up the possibility for a less risky business model on a long term horizon. Here we discuss what is the MIMO token. MIMO is a token of the MIMO DeFi platform. As discussed, MIMO DeFi allows users to utilize decentralized financial applications while benefiting for the liquidity from their crypto assets. To use these services, users must look their MIMO tokens for a certain durations, and the longer funds are locked, the more voting power users have. MIMO DeFi is expected to expand into a community governance model, whereby token holders are actively able to engage in one chain voting mechanisms for a variety of activities and protocols. Improvement proposals. The coin benefits from strong liquidity via the Bittrex exchange, which is a prominent partner of MIMO due to its strong security and wallet infrastructure's capabilities. In addition to being available for trading, parallel protocol stock is suspended by Bittrex, MDEX, and Balancer V2. The coin's maximum supply is capped with a total self-reported circulating supply of MIMO according to data from CoinMarketCap at the time of this video. As the developers have outlined, MIMO is built with a long-term vision in mind. It caters specifically to European users and attempts to bridge the gap between the rapidly developing landscape of decentralized finance and traditional finance. A layer of two solutions contained the profligate non-custodial solutions means that centralized players will have to adjust their value proportions. This meaningful industry growth is healthy competition between centralized and decentralized world, which should lead to better products and services.